Hello friends, my name is Monish Patil. Today our topic is check and uncheck expression in exceptions in Java. What is a check exception in Java? The check exception Java are the compiler time. What's exception? There's an exception are the check by the Java compiler during the compilations of a Java a program. Let's take an example that file not found exception. While it's a check exception which is occurred during the handling in Java program, and there are the might possibility to there the path of the valid of in one of the major regions, and then file the found the exceptions during the compilation time and Java programs. The Java compilers very smart. It known about the details of the check exception. Who is when to the check exception can be acquire the Java exception. It's to the check and the program. The check whenever the program check execution can be acquire the provides way to handle them. And please look at to the example which is to how to discuss during the starting of articles. The when not of the exceptions occurred during the compilations of the Java program compilers, and the declaration of throw to caller method and can the handle the that's to human to the different suggest this way of this possible of the check expression. The types of check exceptions. There are the two various types of check exception. Let's see the following. IO exception operating. The IO exception generally occur the read and write to operations on the particular file. We have to already seen an IO exceptions. There are two starting of and the article, and that's two is part of the file can be the refer. Second one is a SQL exception. The SQL exception has two types of SQL exception: drive and database. To provide some information to database access the error, and the other database connection error. Consider the below exception. The second one is unchecked exceptions. The runtime exception is known as an unchecked exception. These are the explanation that occurred during the runtime of the Java program. Those the exceptions are not with the check compile time, and which is the means to if to program, and given the check exceptions are not be handling program not to be given compilation errors, and mainly the from the programmer side of during the runtime programming. Then are unchecked. Let's do real time to example to understand to the unchecked exceptions in Java. Thank you, friends.